Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 25th August 2024, and we're diving into some intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. From innovative uses of Apple devices to concerns about software vulnerabilities, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Let's start with a story of ingenuity involving an Apple AirTag. A California woman, tired of her mail being stolen, decided to take matters into her own hands. She cleverly used an AirTag to track down the thieves. After placing the AirTag in a package and mailing it to herself, she was able to follow its journey using Apple's Find My network. This led authorities to the suspects, Virginia Francesca Lara and Donald Ashton Terry, who were found with stolen mail and other items. Both face serious charges, and the local sheriff's office commended the woman's innovative approach. Moving on to some concerning news about Apple's macOS Sonoma. Security firm Intego has criticized Apple for not addressing critical vulnerabilities in the operating system. It seems that some open-source components, like curl and LibreSSL, are significantly outdated, leaving users exposed to potential security threats. Despite updates to macOS Sonoma, these components remain vulnerable. Apple has not yet responded to inquiries about these issues, which has raised questions about their commitment to security. This isn't the first time Apple has been slow to patch vulnerabilities, and users are encouraged to raise awareness to push for better security practices. In the realm of development, there's an interesting project on GitHub called CheckD. It's a server implementation using Cloudflare workers that validates requests from Apple devices with Apple's device check framework. The project includes a service worker named CheckD and example projects like an iOS app to demonstrate its use. Key components involve environment configuration, OAuth JBT generation, and device token validation. For those interested in contributing, the project is open source under the MIT license, inviting collaboration and enhancement. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the articles we've discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.